Hey, good morning. So here's a quick review on the 16-piece cooking messware kit mess. Currently brewing some water, and it's doing great. I've already brewed some coffee. I'm currently camping, and it sits right on top of this mechanism. I had to purchase an adapter, which is right here to go from butane to propane. But overall, it's a really great mess kit. Came with this little spoon. Comes with these utensils: knife, spoon, fork. Came with a little clip, little bowls, little sponge, another fork, and here's another pot, and it fits all in this one bag. And so the actual stovetop folds into this piece right here, which is this right here. So I'm really looking forward. I'm doing hot chocolate for the kids, and I did coffee for the parents. So beautiful morning in South Florida, or in the Everglades. Have a great day.